For homeowners in Hilliard, upgrading your home's windows isn't just about improving appearance or boosting energy efficiency, it's about protecting what matters most. Modern window installation techniques and materials have transformed how homes are built to defend against intruders, accidents, and even severe weather. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or difficult to lock, you may be compromising your family's safety without realizing it. Here's how upgrading your window installation can dramatically enhance both security and peace of mind in your Hilliard home. Reinforced frames that stand the test of time. Older windows often have wooden or aluminum frames that can weaken, warp, or rot over time. These weaknesses make it easier for burglars to pry open the frame or for severe weather to cause damage. Modern window replacement materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite, are engineered for durability and structural strength. These frames resist warping and deterioration, ensuring a tight, secure fit that's difficult to tamper with. Professional installation also guarantees that the frame is sealed properly, eliminating gaps or vulnerabilities that could compromise your home's protection. For Hilliard homeowners, where seasonal storms and temperature changes are common, these reinforced frames provide both security and longevity. Impact-resistant glass for added protection. Traditional single-pane glass can easily break, creating both a safety hazard and a point of entry for intruders. However, today's impact-resistant and laminated glass is designed to withstand force. Impact-resistant glass consists of two panes bonded with a durable interlayer that holds the glass together even if it cracks. This design makes it extremely difficult for someone to break through, even with repeated attempts. These windows also offer additional benefits, including storm resistance, protecting your home from flying debris during high winds; noise reduction, diminishing sounds from outside traffic or neighbors; UV protection, filtering harmful rays that can damage furniture and flooring. In a family-oriented community like Hilliard, where comfort and safety go hand in hand, impact-resistant windows are a smart and secure upgrade. Advanced locking systems and hardware. One of the most common points of weakness in older windows is the locking mechanism. Over time, locks can become loose or misaligned, making it easier for intruders to force them open. New window designs feature multi-point locking systems that secure the sash at multiple points along the frame, making it virtually impossible to pry open. Some even include keyed locks or integrated sensors that can be connected to home security systems. When paired with professional installation, these locks are fitted and calibrated to ensure flawless operation, giving homeowners total control over their home's protection. Proper installation ensures maximum security. Even the strongest windows can fail to perform if they're installed incorrectly. Gaps, misalignments, or poor sealing can weaken the entire window structure, allowing for air leaks, water intrusion, or worse, forced entry. That's why hiring a qualified local installer in Hilliard is crucial. Experienced professionals understand regional conditions, such as humidity and seasonal temperature shifts, and use installation techniques that prevent warping and maintain tight seals. Proper installation also ensures your windows comply with local building codes and insurance requirements, another important layer of protection for your home. Enhanced safety for families and children's safety isn't only about preventing intrusions. Properly installed modern windows also help prevent accidents inside the home. Features like limit stops and child safety locks prevent windows from opening too far, reducing the risk of falls for children or pets. Tempered glass options, which break into small, rounded pieces rather than sharp shards, further enhance household safety, ideal for family homes where active children and pets are part of daily life. The long-term value of security upgrades. Investing in high-quality window installation does more than improve security today. It adds long-term value to your property. Modern, secure windows enhance curb appeal, reduce energy costs, and attract future buyers looking for safe, low-maintenance homes. In Hilliard's growing community, these upgrades not only protect your family but also strengthen your investment for years to come. Final thoughts: upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance safety, security, and comfort in your Hilliard home. With impact-resistant glass, reinforced frames, advanced locks, and expert installation, your windows become more than just design features, they become your first line of defense. By working with trusted local professionals, you can ensure your new windows deliver lasting protection and peace of mind, helping you feel safe, secure, and proud of your home in every season.